It's me, headed out the door to Dominican Republic. Hi, Rosie, baby.
The guy says, come over here. He goes, look at the 4 restaurants we've got. Nothing is open. What 4 restaurants?
There's
where?
2 restaurants.
I feel like I should be walking around with one of those construction vests and a helmet that says, like, you know, just so they know that I'm...
Men at work.
Tell people that if anyone is pineapple.
So just took a break from work, went to the pool, now back here working. Put up my first international deal. Might have another one brewing, we'll see. And yeah, stay tuned for this interesting, honest hotel tour. Yeah. When you get in your apartment! Maybe.
We don't know
and we
yet.
putting up 2 international deals. Happy birthday to Rosie. Happy birthday to you. Blow it out, baby. Blow out the candle. Yay, Rosie! Woohoo! Say hello. 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 Spin. Spin. Yay, baby. Hello. Rosie, how old are you? How old are you, baby? Yeah? He's 2 years old. Mm-hmm. Yay, Rosie!
Yeah. Watch, here comes Rosie. Here comes. It's coming, buddy. You're too soon. Save that. It's coming, baby. Here comes Rose. 2 years old. It's coming. It's coming. There it is. Rain. Baby, yeah, baby. I knew you'd like this song. Yeah. Rosie's entered the rap beef between Kendrick and Drake. Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
It's your birthday!
It's your birthday! It's your birthday!
It's your birthday!
I know, it's scary. Okay, Rose. It's a 3-minute long song though, so you can play it whenever you want.
All right, so it's Rosie's first time going on an airplane. Say hello, baby. Hello. Oh, that was a wave and scratch. All right, so first time here. We got his comfy bed, his favorite toys, nail filer, good fruits to keep him hydrated. We have apples over here. And I'm gonna fill a little with water once we get on the plane. And yeah, I have most of the stuff in my backpack because I think I have to check my bag because this counts as like a carry-on bag. And yeah, Delta seems to be the most lenient with birds. from what I heard. And let's go find out. Here we go, Rosie. Are you ready, baby? I'm nervous.
You know how I learned Hebrew?
Hi, baby. You ready to go through security? Back in? Good job. We did it. We got through security. Yeah. Aw. So he already took a picture with the TSA lady. 3 people stopped already to take his picture. Rosie, you're so famous. And went through security like normal. And then they took him aside into the room. I got to go in the room too. He had to come out. They took the bag and he went back in. Very easy. Not scary. And Rosie, you were so good. And yeah, it didn't take long at all. Now I'm here way too early. Baby. So we're in the nursing room. So Rosie can have some outside time, and I had to fill his water bowl. You having fun, baby? Everyone loves you. Everyone loves you so much. We gotta go in though. We're boarding soon. We're boarding. Rosie, you're too cute. We are in the rental car. Rosie just went on his first flight. Woohoo, baby! Yeah! You were so brave. You were so good. I'm so proud of you. Mwah! Was that fun? Was that fun or what, baby? Yeah? Tell me all about it. That was so much fun! Yay, baby! Let's go! We're in a car now. You've never been in a car. Oh my goodness, Rosie. So much excitement. So much excitement. Are you having fun out here, Ro? Yeah? Good job, baby. You just like blend in with the tree. He's got his food and water over here. Nice dookie. explore, baby. Go on. Come on. Rosie, come. Baby! What you looking at, Rosie? What do you see? Just sitting here on the hammock, watching my baby eat some watermelon and waiting for Mama. Baby, you're on a real tree. You're on a tree. Bite it. Bite the tree. Wow.
Did he get you the trail? Heroes and ghosts. I'd ask
Oh, that's a cool one.
It's a beach towel blankie.
It's a Trump. I'm gonna get shot on the beach.
No, he's cool.
I know he's cool. I'm gonna get shot.
Do you see what it says? Turn it around.
Hold it up for me.
Yep.
Oh, it's soft.
Oh, yes, I'm in Trump, girl. Get over it. I'm putting that outside my house.
Oh my god. Were you talking to a birdie? Were you talking to a wild birdie, Rosie? Whoa! He was talking back to a birdie. Rosie, did Jaime make you a jacuzzi? Did he make you a little jacuzzi? Who are you talking to, Rosie? Sun finally came out. Just did some laps in the pool. It's finally warm. And going back to work soon.
hide something there for you when I die. So you gotta remember this path.
The nook.
The nook with the
Water
water,
fountain.
broken water fountain, and then hole in the tree.
What if they cut down the tree?
Well, then they're gonna find it first.
You leaving me money?
I don't know. Could be money, could be riches, could be a letter. Who knows? Could be the
Cloisters Museum, that away.
special numbers to all the Bitcoin I have stashed.
It's Rosie's first time going to the vet. Gonna get a checkup and see what kind of gender you are. Are you a boy? Are you a girl? The world may never know.
No, we will today.
Someone said that they saw the
Come on,
mother.
baby.
With some, I think she left him, but he was there for hours, and there was kids out there throwing things at him. And I just said, okay.
What's going on, baby? There we go. There we go. Baby, what are you doing in there? What are you doing in there?
You should take one. It's like guess my weight? Question mark, and then it's like 60.
Carnival number 2 with you.